Hey people, so every video that I've ever taken at one of these malls, they do well, and I'm on an escalator, and my little son is far ahead. And this is Forum Mall on a Monday, so this is how it looks. And Forum Mall, I don't know. Each time I put up any video with Forum Mall, it suddenly does really well. So I can smell coffee here because there's a coffee shop, and yeah, like always. This is my little superstar. So everybody likes to see this young man. But yeah, so we are headed to Crosswords.
Why can't
And
I be first? See,
and yeah,
you
and then we'll catch up with you all soon.
Wait. Can you stop? Just stop here, then I'll go first, and
Okay.
up, then you go.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. We'll catch you all in our next video. So at Crosswords. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.